Hi everyone, it's me Kalin. Today I am drawing Iris from LoliRock. I hope you'll enjoy this video. So this is a speed drawing version of this drawing of Iris. If you want to watch the step-by-step drawing tutorial of Iris, you can find a video in my step-by-step drawing tutorial playlist. Once I finish drawing, I usually use a black pen to outline the drawing so that I can then erase the pencil marks. Now I'm using a white pen to draw her necklace, so you will not notice it right now since the drawing is not colored yet, but once it's colored you will notice the white line of her necklace. Okay, I'll now start coloring Iris. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and you can also share your drawings of Iris as well with me through my Instagram or my Facebook page. Feel free to tag me or send me a message. I'll be very happy to see your final drawings of Iris as well. Okay, I'm now done with the painting of Iris. She looks gorgeous, and I'm going to do some retouch with a black pen so that it looks less messy on areas where the paint smudged a bit on the black outline. This final drawing of Iris is now completed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please look forward to my next video. And see you soon. Bye bye.